Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial, how to quickly change your Apple ID country in 2025. Whether you're relocating, traveling abroad, or just want access to region-specific apps and content, this step-by-step guide will get you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, why change your Apple ID country? In 2025, Apple has made this process even smoother with updated features, but you'll need a valid payment method and address from the new country to proceed. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. It's that gray gear icon on your home screen. Tap it to begin. Next, tap on your name at the top of the Settings menu. This is your Apple ID profile. Once you're in, scroll down and select Media and Purchases or iTunes and App Store, depending on your device. Now, tap on your Apple ID email at the top and choose View Apple ID. You might need to enter your password or use Face ID for security. Don't skip this step. In the account settings, look for the Country, Region option and tap it. You'll see a list of countries. Select the one you want to switch to. Apple will prompt you to review the terms and conditions for that region, so read through them quickly. Then, enter a new payment method and billing address from the selected country. This is crucial, as it verifies your location. After confirming everything, hit Next, and wait for the changes to process. It usually takes just a minute or two. Once done, your Apple ID country will be updated, and you can start enjoying content from your new region. A quick tip. If you run into any errors, like payment issues, double-check that your details match the new country's requirements. And remember, changing your country might affect subscriptions or unused balances, so plan ahead. There you have it. Changing your Apple ID country in 2025 is faster than ever. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.